So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So Nifty according to our analysis, it has opened a huge gap up because of Nvidia result in the US market. But our analysis was that all the levels we have discussed, 19,550 to 590 in this range. So whenever market has shown some weakness from the top and it has break the fast swing low, what I have discussed in many other videos as well. So whenever it has break that swing low, I have initiated a very good trade over there in Nifty, and 19,465, the important level that we have discussed. I have cashed almost all the all the points over there and make a good chunk of money over there. And similarly in the bank Nifty, I have scalped because on the same time my Nifty trade was going on with small quantity. I have scalped here, and I have not taken that whole position, but somewhere around 19,680, somewhere around here I have booked my profit. Similarly Nifty Finance also, see all the levels. I have not taken any trade over there in Nifty Finance, but you can see all the levels which I have mentioned, it act accordingly. It has taken rejection from the top, that's why I mark. Now I'm starting marking the resistance and support in red and green trend line. So with the stop loss of, if you have, whenever you find it has break its first low, first swing low, or it has break that, the first 15 minutes candle low, 5 minutes candle low, if you have shorted, you have make a very good amount of money over there. Okay guys, so now discuss about the remove all the drawings and start discussing from the daily time frame in Nifty. So Nifty in daily time frame, you will found that this trend line which we had mentioned previously, it has opened, it has break that level last day. It has closed around 441 somewhere around here, and it has now has given a small breakdown kind of, small breakout kind of patterns. So in 1 hour time frame we will understand that in the better manner. You will see that this level 370 to 380, this level is very important area. What, by grace of God, if it's tomorrow market open flat and you will find that it is breaking that level, you will get a very good chance for selling further. And although it has opened close around 386, if it is open flat little bit of gap up and then break that important area 380, then you will get a very good target, and your target will be around 250 to 280, somewhere around here. You should book your profit. So move toward the 15 minutes time frame, and from this 250 to 260 in this range, if market come and make positive kind of patterns here, then you can try to buy from the bottom with 10 to 15 rupees max to max stop loss you have to bear. And you will, you can buy in the bottom. There will be a very good chance over there. If it is also given a breakdown of that range, then further selling can happen. Let's quickly discuss about the further bottom levels if it is break that range. So if it is break that range, so the next target you can get around 19,198, and below that the next level will be 19,138. I will discuss all the levels, further levels, if there is any changes in the next video, of course. And similarly if market open flat and then continue, start moving here, there are now multiple resistance zone. You will find in 15 minutes time frame this swing high 19,443, 447, what this is 486. All this level will work as a resistance area. So for me, I will try to find out any negative patterns over there. If I find any negative pattern for further selling, I will love to sell with a straight stop loss of 490 to 500 max to max. I will love to sell from here if market is negative. Otherwise, for further buying, I would like to wait over there above 500 levels with a straight stop loss 10 rupees max to max. 470 will be our stop loss. Above 490, 470 will be our stop loss, and 574 this high I might capture all these levels. Okay guys, so this is for intraday basis levels. Let me mark that with the red candle, so you will find that more understandable easily. So this is simple result for simple analysis for bank nifty. Also this 300 level, you have to mind that as well. Okay, if OI has changes, quickly see in the OI data as well. Okay, no, this is not OI data, option chain data. Let me see that. 24 August, let me see, 31st August, 19,400, 19,500. You will find in Nifty very good resistance are there. Okay, a lot of hurdle will be there, and limited support in 19,400. So far, what it has today, as it has expired today, so not very good Y has been built, but motamoti we can get a small look around that 500 is the main resistance area, and 400, and below that 300 will be the next support area. We will see the option chain. If you have, you can find that in any trading platform, Upstock or Zerodha, you will find option chain data over there. So you will find that any Y changes over there is going on or not. 19,300, 200, this is the main important area to watch out very carefully. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Nifty. Here, if it is making negative pattern, we will try to sell over there, and if it is break that range, if all the sentiment are good, we'll try to buy above that level as well, and all the below support area are mentioned. Now moving towards the bank nifty. Bank nifty, delete all the drawings and moving towards a daily time frame for better understanding. Okay, so the bank nifty was looking little bit of little bit of positive over there for the last few days. Now the support area 44,474 is a zone to watch out very carefully. If it is break, then bank nifty also shows some profit booking further. Okay, so it is showing 17 points positive, but if you see, it has almost 500.497 points profit booking. It has happened from the top, and from for bank nifty now, this 44,400, this level is very important support area. If it is break that level, then 44,135, 44,400 below 44,135 is the next support area for bank nifty. Okay, and similarly, if it is also below that, the next support area will be this zone, that is 44,939. And if we talk about the resistance area, now all this area will be act as a resistance area above 45,000. Above, if market open flat and take support from this range, okay, you can with a straight stop loss, you can plan for long from here. Otherwise, if open little bit of gap up 44,600, okay, 550 somewhere around here, let market has to decide what it's going to do, because we will get very good opportunity in the stock. So further, we don't have to take any risks here. So we what we can do here, or two possibilities are there. Number one, if it is break only, then we can plan for further long. Otherwise, number one thing we can do is, we can, if take support from here, we can plan for long. Number two is, if it is break that level, we can plan for further selling in bank nifty. There are two possibilities are there, and above 45,000 level, we will plan for long for upcoming days. Okay, now moving towards nifty finance. Here also I am removing all the drawings and moving towards the daily time frame. In a daily time frame, you will find similar like bank nifty. This suppose 19,700 is a very good support area for nifty finance. Okay, 700 to 680, this is a very good important area for nifty. If it is given a breakdown of that range, so the next target you can get around 650 will be little bit of support it can provide. Okay, not very good support. I'm not saying that it will be a very good support. And below that also the 19,583. Quickly see the option chain data. Fin nifty, for fin nifty, 29 August. So see, 19,800 is the main hurdle rate, sorry, main hurdle. And for the support, no major support so far. 19,600 is the main major support. 600 and 500 is the main major support it is showing. So 583, 600, all these levels. 583 is a very important area for Nifty Finance. Okay, so this level you have to watch very carefully. And 19,800 is the hurdle rate. So according to the price action also, 780, this swing high, uh, it will decide 780, this will decide the further long possible or not 780 to 800, round it up to the 800. Above only 19,800 we can plan for further long. And our target will be 19,900, max to max we can rally towards there. And similarly below 19,699 you can plan for selling. Okay, your stop loss will be around 720, 715 will be a stop loss, and you can plan for selling towards 583. And below that, all important levels I have mentioning here. Okay, this is simple analysis for Nifty Finance. Okay, now moving towards the stocks. So let's discuss about if banking sector moves well. So there are two good stocks I have. Number one is IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, if you see that in the daily time frame, see, it is in the rejections area. It has taken multiple time rejections over there. Okay, now in 15 minutes time frame you will find it has kind of making flagell pole kind of patterns. If it is break that level, for if it is break that hurdle, if you see above that with a straight stop loss of today's closing, you can plan for further long. Or if it above that, your stop loss will be max to max 1420 will be a stop loss, and you can plan, see, 1432, 1440, 1432 will be your first hurdle, little bit of hurdle you can face. And above that 1444 will be your next hurdle. Okay, so this level you have to watch very carefully. If it is if bank nifty is supporting that levels, bank nifty is, it is, if this bank support that, so you will get a very good target over there. Here you will get both side opportunities. Like if it is break 1416 level, so 1407 will be the next target. Okay, so all the levels are mentioned here. Very simple analysis you will get in different bank. Similarly SBI is very good opportunity. If you see that in daily time frame, 578 to 580, this is a zone. If it is break that range, then the next target will be 594. So if it is a break that range, you also can plan for buying that in cash as well for swing trading. Your stop loss will be around max to max 575 will be stop loss, and you will get very good target over there from 594. If it is sustained, then 602, 610, all this level can be tested for swing trading perspective. Now comes towards the intraday basis analysis. Intraday basis analysis, for SBI, if you see that this zone is the hurdle area, and for support this zone is acting as a very good support for SBI. Further selling can happen below only 575, and below 575 the next possible target will be this 571, and below that all time almost this swing low 566 will be our next level. Similarly, if it is break 580 this level, the next target you can get the 586 for intraday basis. Okay, and similarly if it is break that range, then you can get around 593. I am giving all the levels over there for upcoming days as well, so you can play with accordingly. You can, and if it is break 580 level in the daily basis candle, you will find that it has make very good green candle. You also can plan for long further in cash as well. Similarly, I have two stocks for Jindal Steel and JSW Steel. Both has make, both are make similar kind of patterns. 5784 is a zone to watch out. If metal sector support tomorrow's market, then this zone it can make double kind of patterns. So from here, if it is come little bit of below over there, then it will be it will be more benefit for us, because our stop loss will be much lower than only 1 or 2 rupees stop loss, and you can get very good target around 794, 796, okay, 800. All this level can be tested for JSW steel. Similarly, if you see the Jindal steel as well, Jindal steel, it is it has more space to comes, if you want to come if it is going to come more downward move. So 643 and 637 is a support area for Jindal steel. Don't plan for selling over there. Let wait. If in the second half, probably you will get a chance in the second half. If market come here and make 15-minute bullish candle over there, you can plan for further long in Jindal steel or JSW steel, wherever you will find a good opportunity. You can plan for long from there as well. The next stocks I'm going to discuss, that is Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp, if you see for better understanding, in first in the daily time frame, it is a very good support area. Hero MotoCorp is trading. Okay, so further selling can happen below 2918, and below 2918, 2870 will be our target for intraday basis and daily basis. Okay, and if it is for farther long, 2957 is the zone to watch out. I am taking Hero MotoCorp especially for selling purpose only. So if it is break that level, you will get a good opportunity. And similarly, you can also, if it is make, you see that it has make very good buying candle over there. So if it is break 2935 with the today's stop loss, 5 rupees stop loss, today's closing, you can plan for further long as well. And 2957, all this level can be tested for intraday basis. Okay, similarly, the next stocks I'm going to discuss, it is also from auto stock. You will find, let's first see in the daily time frame. You will see that it is a very good support area. Ashok Leyland is now trading at a very good support area, right? So in 15 minutes time frame, let me adjust that little bit. Okay, 185 is a zone, that is very important area. Further selling only can happen below that, and below 185, 183 is a zone to watch out. Okay, you can plan for selling below 185, and similarly 186 is the hurdle area for for Ashok Leyland. Further buying can happen. W kind of pattern it can make, and 188, 187.50, 188. All this level can be tested in intraday basis. Okay, guys, so that's all what I have for tomorrow's analysis, and I am unable to share the stock result because I'm not traded on that. But what happened, there is some problem going on in zero the terminal, I don't know. So let's see, if I resolve that, I will upload it that. So best of luck for tomorrow and have a good day. Bye.